Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best platform to create online course. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the best platform, in my opinion, to create an online course is called Udemy. You will be able to access Udemy by going to udemy.com, and let's explain and show you why this platform is, for me, the best platform to create an online course. Now, over here in Udemy, this is a platform where you will be able to look for different types of courses for you to learn it. You will be able to find different courses, and there's also courses absolutely for free. Now, aside from buying courses in this platform and learning from them, you are also able to create your own courses for you to create. Now, after creating your account in Udemy, you will be able to notice over here on the top that there is an option called Instructor. Simply select this and you will be able to be redirected to the page where you will be an instructor for Udemy. And this platform or this area right now that we're looking at is where we will be able to create our course. As you can see here, we could already start to create our course creation right away. Aside from that, there's also other areas over here like communication, where you could ask some Q&A, some messages over here from assignments and announcement. And there's also like performance over here. You will be able to see like the reports about your students, reviews about your courses, course engagement, and traffic conversions over here, which is very useful if you want to manage or view your statistics. And there's also different tools for you as an instructor like test video, and you will be able to get feedback from Udemy, and they will be able to give you some expert reviews from your or to your audio, video, and delivery. So aside from this platform being a platform for you to create an online course, you will also be able to improve the way you teach through your course, as you can see because of these tools over here. There's also a marketplace insight and bulk coupon creations over here that you can see. Now, to be able to create your own course, simply click on create your course over here, and we will be able to produce or proceed to the next step, as you can see. Now, there's 4 initial steps over here. The first step is selecting the type of course we are making. There's 2 types. We have the normal course, which will create a rich learning experience with the help of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercise, and etc. Or you could also create a practice test that would help students prepare for a certification exam by providing practice questions. So you could produce these 2 types of course. Now for us, of course, we will be producing the course over here because we are going to create an online course. But keep in mind, or it's a good knowledge as well, that you are able to create practice tests as well. So let's proceed. Simply select course and click on continue. After that, you will be able to create or put in your title for your course over here. If you don't have a good title now, you will be able to change it later on, which is really good. You don't need to settle or stress yourself about the title right from the start. So for this one, let's say test title for now. And after that, we can simply click on continue to proceed to the next step. And over here, we're then going to select the category that fits the knowledge that we will share, or rather the category for our specific course. You have different options over here. You have one for development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, office productivity, and many more. Or you could also say, I don't know yet, if you're not settled with the right category yet, or if you're not sure about it yet. After that, you're simply going to click on continue. Now, it will also ask you how much time you can spend creating your courses. Because, of course, creating a course is not easy. Although it seems like you're only going to add an information, upload your videos, it's not going to be something that you will be able to finish overnight. So you would need to spend a few hours. As you can see here, depending on the options that you have, you should select the availability that you have. And also, depending on your answers, they will be able to help you achieve your goals even if you don't have much time. So let's say I am very busy, and simply click on create course. Then after that, we will now then start the actual creation of our course, as you can see here. Over here on the left side, this is like the to-do list or like your checklist for how you create your course. You have your plan your course option, the create your content option, and the publish your course portion. So the first step is to plan your course. The label of this first step is called intended learners. So you're simply going to put in what your students will learn about your course. The great thing about Udemy is it's giving you a lot of guide questions, or it's giving you a lot of help so that you will be able to build your course effectively. Like, it's helping you on what you should put, as you can see here, and it's giving you like guide questions or description of what this part or what this question is all about, and it's doing its best to provide assistance to you without the need of actually selecting help over here and asking for help. So let's just put in some learning objectives over here. Let's follow whatever this is mentioning over here. Let's say our course is about coding, so we could say students will learn how to code Java effectively. Then the next one is how to apply Java in real life problems. And what else? Learn functions of Java. And let's say another one, we could go with this one over here. And for the response, you could add whatever response that you want. You could add more to your response over here depending on your preference, of course, if you want to have like more requirements or prerequisite for your course over here. And this part is like list the required list or experience or tools learners should have before they take your course. And over here, who is this course for? Like intended learners, like let's say aspiring coders, something like that. And aside from that, after completing this, you'll be able to proceed to course structure over here. But let's save it first. Clicking on save over here on the top right. Then click on course structure. Under this part over here on the course structure and setup and test video, it's basically going to give you some tips, as you can see here, on how you will be able to build your course effectively. And that's also one of the great things about Udemy. It's helping you out as you go through the process. And for this one, as you can see, course structure, planning your course carefully will create a clear learning path for students and help you once you film. Take down to the details of each lecture, including the skill you'll teach, estimate video length, practical activities to include, and how you'll create introduction and summary. So it's helping you out on what you should build and what you should have to proceed. And over here for the setup and test video, this is where you will be able to create your test video for experts to give you personalized advice on your audio video. You will need to create a video, of course, or a recording of you teaching the course. You could have like a PowerPoint and then you're giving instructions with your voice or with a script, something like that. And there's also a lot of tips over here, like your equipment, your students need to hear you, how loud you should be, your studio, lighting, reduce noise and echo, and creativity. And there's also requirements over here that you should have so that they will approve of the video that you're going to create. And over here for the create your content, this area is where you will be able to like film and edit or join the community so that you could have help from other Udemy instructor. Basically, they will provide you with production help, which is very useful. This is why I like Udemy. And over here for the curriculum, it's very easy to create your plan over here, your curriculum for your course. You have your lecture, you can add a curricular item over here, either a lecture, quiz, coding exercise, or an assignment, depending on which one you want. You could add them, and you could add the content as well, like video and slide mashup, or an article over here, which is very useful. So simply build your curriculum over here, add the title that you want, and depending on the parts that you want it to have, you could simply put them over here. And after completing this, you could also move to the course landing page where you could create this as well, course title, course subtitle, all of this information. You could put them all over here. And over here, you could go to course messages, and there's also pricing over here. And after that, you can simply click on submit for review after completing all of this to-do list. And Udemy will then conduct a review on the course that you have created, and they will give you some tips and tricks on how to improve it if they are encountering some issues or if they found issues, and they will help you build your course effectively and make it as good as possible, which is also one of the reasons why Udemy is the best platform to create your course. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.